Hey everyone, welcome to HNR Creative Corner. Today I'm going to share wonderful side dish and that is aloo palak sabji. For this recipe I have taken bunch of palak, 2 medium sized potatoes, 1 onion, 1 tomato, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Take a kadai, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, add 1 finely chopped onion, saute the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next add the potato pieces. Close the lid for few minutes. Here I have taken 1 bunch of palak or spinach. We need to wash it thoroughly. Now add some water and let the potato cook. Once the potato cooked, add tomato pieces and salt as per taste. Mix it along with the potatoes and let the potatoes cook until soft. Now add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix well. Next, I am adding roughly chopped palak or spinach to the potatoes. Mix well. Close the vessel and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. And that's it. Palak potato masala is done. It is just delicious. Best to be served with chapatis and rotis by the side. This is very simple and easy to make, that you can cook quickly and enjoy. Thank you so much.